This ruined, neglected garden was once full of life, colors, and beauty. But now it only tells a story of emptiness. But is everything really lost? No, because change is always possible.
A little effort, a little passion, and the same so-called useless, discarded materials can become the foundation of a new beginning. The surprising part? The cost is almost nothing. And the result?
A garden coming back to life once again. Watch how this emptiness transforms into beauty.
Look, this is the same once ruined garden that is now presenting a charming beauty and a heavenly view.
For more such amazing and informative videos, please like our video and subscribe to the channel, as we truly appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more content with you.